Hey everyone, welcome back. So previously, we released a web platform called Wing360 Search. It has a basic web page, a chatbot, and then it has another subpage to allow you to talk to a system to build web apps for you. And in this episode, we're going to introduce a new feature, which is Personal Drive, which allows you to store your previous project inside so that you can continue to work on it. So with that being said, let's turn our attention to the screen. So right in front of me, I have this website, Wing360 Search. Let me log in with my test user. And then let's say I have an idea and I don't know where to start. For example, if I'm starting with my new coffee shop, so maybe I can say build a landing page for my new coffee shop in Tacoma, Washington, or something as simple as that. At this moment, our system will have chatbot in the back to try to understand what exactly is the intent the user wants to do. The intent processor will carry out the plan, and then that plan will be dispatched to call upon each specialist to do what they need to do in each particular task. And in a few minutes, it will write a web page for you, just like what the user asked. So boom, just like that, it finished, and we can live preview the Tacoma Brew House. Very interesting name with the website, the address, menu highlights, things like that. And let's say you're at a good stopping point, you can use the sidebar on the left, and you can click on Save Current Content. It will save the HTML file for you in your personal directory. And for future reference, if you want to find the project that you previously worked on, you can click on this Drive page, and then you'll be able to find all these files here at the tip of your finger. So the most latest one that I created is this one. I say load, and boom, there you go. Tacoma Brewhouse is the project that I'd worked on. So hopefully this way, we can put more features at the tip of your finger, and we hope this platform can help you to continue to develop your project anytime you want. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the product, and I'll see you in the next video.